Diego fish. Look at the mouth. Look at the head. Oh, we can't catch it good.
Wow. It's a
You know,
grouper.
see it good.
Don't forget the grouper part.
Diego
Yeah,
grouper.
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at it, man.
Hey, ugly like a
Jesus,
sin.
look at the thing. And look at the body. Look at the.
The meat look nice and fleshy though.
Look, this is one slice of fish, people. One slice of fish.
In the plate.
Look there. No plate can hold that. There's no plate to hold that.
Oh,
Yeah,
we
put
gotta
in
come.
a-
Where you see me
Put that in a pun pan.
Jesus. Ooh,
In a
good
pudding
fish.
pan.
Yes, so them part of the yes.
Oh my
This is the one we're
Yeah, me know,
having.
man. Me know. Me just touch up my sandwich.
This is the one we're having. What?
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 Red
What you want to do?
Red snapper. We're having this
700.
one.
Or the same.
We're having this one.
How do you catch that big fish
Red
though?
snapper.
You use hook.
line.
God, how much people draw him in? Must be strong. He must fight.
A fisherman, the man. What you say?
Jeez.
I'm trying bigger than this.
How much I want to drive in, Frankie?
Hey, you have scale? That one you have scale?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Scale there.
You scared, eh?
So we can't eat that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back foot.
Front foot.
No, look. Really and truly. Look.
We are doing on our way then.
I see
We are
mouth.
doing
Look
on our
there.
way then.
I see eye.
Order.
Murder.
Give me some good night.
They look good. The flesh looks so white and pretty. My mom would love something like this. She used to like that's perfect.
What time is it?
Want a picture of
Is
one.
that Andy? How much you want? Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my gosh, it looks so weird through that. Fish eyes. Fish eyes.
You take a picture of them? The video? Because I want to know, you have worms. You're going to sink in that bag and then...
Seasoning. This is a seasoning for the escoveich fish.
Oh, it's a take... Would have been the best way now.
And this here is the fish, all seasoned. And this is the pan here, sizzling.
You put garlic in.
That's garlic in the oil, sizzling there. Hey! Get out. Now vinegar. Oh, the vinegar. And the cabbage. And the cabbage.
What taste now look on the dinner? Oh.
You don't want to taste now.
Oh, fine.
Seasoning up for escoveich. Escoveich.
I use what one? What one is the best one?
White
Yeah.
vinegar.
Oh, they put them nice in. The pepper nice in there. Oh.
And in goes the vinegar. onion, it's bell pepper, hot pepper, carrot. It's full. What's that? Oh, go down there. Look at food, everybody. Look at food. Where's the breadfruit? Breadfruit, aka brushy.
Is it the one to roast?
Hmm?
It's the roasting one. Oh, it's hiding.
It's hiding. You have to see it from down there. So, coconut, aka jelly. What's that? Jackfruit? See the jackfruit there?
That's not it. Polly, look.
Huh?
That's a different one there. That's the one there.
Oh, see the big fat breadfruit there? See there? Ready for the fire.
It's another one there.
And right neighboring the breadfruit is the ackee. Oh, the sun, man, the sun. See the ackee there? So ackee and brushy. Huh? Yeah. Ayo mati ni awal. Alright, wait. Well, we're going back that way, aren't we? Huh? You're going?